Thank you, Lagran. She just not conquered the stage, but she also came. Next naman, ang UP Cursor!
Now everybody say love if you feel me though. Alright, yeah, it's all love, like really though. Oh, she wanna talk that shit? Is you serious?
And I thank you. Hi! Hello! Naranasan niyo bang makulong dahil you're just being yourself? Hindi, di ba? So support me na lang. I'm Magdalena Disgracia from UP. Cursor! Cursor? Cursor? At ako'y naniniwala sa kasabihan na hindi lahat ng kabayan nasa kwadra, ang iba nasa backstage.